Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you a really cool feature of ChatGPT. First friends, you open ChatGPT. After that add any photo here. Click the mic icon and say remove the girl from this photo. Remove the girl from this photo. So you can see that the girl has been removed from the photo. And now I writing here change background and add a one dog and click here. You can remove anyone from your picture, change the background and even add anything to the picture. It is a really amazing feature. So friends, this chat GPT feature useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.